Hello everyone, my name is Josh Trigwell and I have created the Makers project focusing on Year 9 history about World War One. In this project, students are able to make an infographic about World War One and how Australia was involved in that. The curriculum dot points that this task focuses on is the causes of the First World War, some of the places where Australia fought, the propaganda that was used to help men enlist, how women were portrayed during the times of war and what they were used for. Also the Anzac legend and how it became significant. So what the students will be doing, they'll be researching facts about Australia in the First World War, so they'll be recording notes about this. They're going to present their findings on an infographic, which will be created through Canva. The students will be able to gain an understanding of the importance of this war, where Australians fought, and this will be done by watching a range of videos. Some other activities will also be used to ensure that students have enough information to create their infographic. In this task, the students will be showcasing the 5 characteristics of meaningful learning. So they'll be able to use their constructive learnings of prior knowledge to add this to their infographic. They'll be working in small groups to complete the research of this task. The intentional learning addresses that the students are working towards the end goal of creating the infographic. The authentic learning addresses that the students will realize how lucky they are to be living in today's society and not having to worry about another country overtaking us. And also active learning as they will be creating an infographic. So as you can see here, I've created an example of this end product. As you can see there, it outlines all the different dot points of the curriculum that was used, which is very good. So for the lessons, students, the first lesson they'll be going to the Army Museum of Western Australia, so they'll be able to gain some facts there. Then through lessons 2 and lessons 3, they'll be watching videos, also gaining more information, writing up brainstorms, which will then lead into some propaganda work. And then finally lessons 5 and 6, where they'll be using Canva to create their infographic, which I have also shown here with a rubric, so they know exactly what they need to do to gain full marks and complete the assessment. The students will be presenting their infographics to the whole school at the Remembrance Day assembly, which will be a very vital thing for all students to learn. Thank you.